The judge who presided over two of the most high-profile trials in Virginia is about to retire.
Penney Azcarate was the first woman to serve as the chief circuit court judge in Fairfax County. She may be best known for allowing infamous Johnny Depp trial to be televised. But as Northern Virginia Bureau Chief Julie Carey reports, that notoriety is not what's on her mind as she prepares to leave the bench.
Even though she holds an important position as Fairfax County's chief circuit court judge, Penney Azcarate never expected to be recognized simply walking down the street. That is, until she presided over the Johnny Depp Amber Heard defamation trial in 2022 that was broadcast worldwide. She was even portrayed in an SNL skit.
I have been recognized in a Starbucks in Barcelona. I think that's the craziest place that I've been recognized. A little insane. Not what I expected when I took this gig, that's for sure.
Being a judge, first in General District Court, then Circuit Court, is a gig Azcarate has had for 18 years. Her office filled with mementos, including the final order in the Depp trial and her own bobblehead.
One of my law clerks gave me that a long time ago.
Azcarate says she took the Depp case with a plan to keep the media circus outside the courtroom.
That's why I think I was the perfect judge for that, because it just didn't impress me that they were celebrities, I guess, is what it comes down to. I just treated them as regular litigants.
But the fame that came along with the Depp case and the more recent Au Pair Affair trial is not at all what Azcarate sees as her most important work. In 2015, she created the Veterans Treatment Docket. A Marine veteran herself, she noticed a troubling pattern in her courtroom.
A little surprised how many veterans I was seeing coming up before the bench with these charges, never been in trouble in their lives, and finding themselves with issues that obviously were coming from being deployed or being part of their service.
The program brings together a team to provide vets with intensive help that can involve treating underlying issues, from substance abuse to mental health issues to PTSD. The goal, treatment instead of jail time. More than 100 vets have been on the docket, 83 graduating, receiving these special coins.
The great thing about these dockets is you work with these people on a weekly basis for a year, 2 years, and then to see them graduate at the end and have their life back and have their pride back. And it's just the best thing in my career to watch those graduations.
This week at the latest graduation, Judge Azcarate honored for her founding role.
She simply refused to let people who serve this country fall through the cracks.
My greatest accomplishment, my proudest accomplishment is the Veteran Treatment Docket, hands down.
The judge says before she takes the bench each day, she reviews her guiding principles. She calls them the 3 H's: honor, humility, and humanity.
It's the honor of being a judge, the humility, I'm never the smartest person in the room, and then humanity, just that you are dealing with people's lives.
Azcarate also represents important firsts, the first woman to lead both the General District Court and Circuit Court.
Maybe I was the first, but hopefully I'm not the last. It's important for our bench, and we're working, to get it more diverse and more reflective of our community.
Azcarate, also a strong proponent of allowing cameras in the court, something she permitted most recently in the Brendan Banfield murder trial, and something she hopes more judges will embrace.
If you televise it, everybody for themselves can see that nobody's hiding anything, and this is what it is, and you can take your own opinions from it.
As Judge Azcarate retires from the bench, she is not stepping away from law. She'll be doing mediation and teaching 2 classes at George Mason's Scalia Law School in the fall. In Fairfax County, I'm Julie Carey, News 4.